In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Adobe InDesign as PDF. Whether you're preparing a file for print or sending a proof for review, exporting a polished PDF from InDesign is quick once you know the right options. I'll guide you through each click and explain why it matters so you can get a dependable result every time. Start by opening Adobe InDesign and loading the document you want to export. With your file ready, move to the top left of the screen and open the File menu. From there, choose Export. Export is the correct path for creating a PDF from InDesign because it unlocks the full set of PDF options, which you won't get from a basic save as. When the export dialog appears, choose where you want to save your file and name it clearly so you can find it later. For the format, set the Save as Type or Format to Adobe PDF Print. This is important. PDF Print is designed for high-quality output and print workflows, while PDF All Interactive is for forms and on-screen presentations. Since we're creating a print-ready or production-friendly PDF, PDF Print is the right choice here. Click Save to open the Export Adobe PDF settings. On the general screen, make sure the Pages setting is set to all. This ensures your entire document is included. If you only need a specific section, you could choose Arrange, but for our export today, selecting All covers the full project without missing anything. Next, look for the Standard drop-down. Open it and choose the 2001 option, commonly listed as PDF X1A 2001. This is a widely accepted print standard that locks in key quality settings such as embedding fonts and flattening transparency, helping your PDF look consistent across different print environments. If a print provider has given you different specifications, always follow their guidance, but PDF X1A 2001 is a safe, reliable default in many workflows. With those selections in place, you're ready to finalize. Click Export. InDesign will process your document and generate the PDF. Depending on your file size and the complexity of your layout, this may take a moment. Once it's done, open the PDF to confirm everything looks correct, the pages are in order, and the text and images appear as expected. And that's it. You opened your document, went to File, chose Export, selected Adobe PDF, Print, saved, confirmed all pages, set the 2001 standard, and exported a clean, professional PDF. Follow these steps each time and you'll produce consistent results with confidence.